Carrier, the pioneering leader in home comfort, is excited to deliver a new spin on heating and cooling technology. Our next-generation air handlers. Powered by our patented mixed-flow fan and Vertex technology V-coil, our new air handlers take comfort to the next level with significantly reduced size, enhanced serviceability, and efficiency-boosting performance. Size-wise, our new air handlers are 20% shorter and 50 pounds lighter on average than current units, making installation in tighter spaces easier. They'll now include dual voltage capability, providing a better solution for unique applications. And with one dedicated multi-poise SKU, they offer versatility for any application without requiring separate field conversion kits. For serviceability, our next-gen air handlers will feature InteliSense across all tiers for no before-you-go troubleshooting. On the job site, service techs will appreciate the new slide-out coil for ease of access, a magnetic filter door for toolless access to the filter, built-in near-field communication for faster system setup, the sight glass and 7-segment LED display for quick status and fault checks, over-the-air system updates for top system performance, and finally, a relocated control board away from the unit's airstream to minimize board failures. For homeowners, these air handlers deliver a new spin on efficiency and performance, starting with consistent uniform airflow in any application, a possible money-saving efficiency boost, and a fully modulating auxiliary heat upgrade that delivers energy savings and precise load matching for cozy comfort when outdoor temperatures plummet. With a new spin on size, serviceability, efficiency, and performance-enhancing options, our next-generation mixed-flow air handlers are space-saving and comfort-making machines. Any way you spin it.